Hi everyone. Today we are going to make an Excel dashboard with the topic of global terrorist attack analysis. The dashboard contains pivot chart, pivot table, slicer, Vlookup. The steps are data preprocessing, pivot chart, pivot table, slicer, Vlookup and dashboard. Data preprocessing. It is a data mining technique that transforms raw data into an understandable format. This is my pre-processed data which has 20 plus column and 500 plus rows. Pivot table. Pivot table allow you to create a powerful view with data summarized in a grid both in horizontal and vertical column. Pivot chart. A pivot chart is an interactive graphical presentation of a data in a Zoho creation application. Insert and pivot table. Click any cell in your dataset. On the Insert tab in the Table group, click the Pivot Table tab. A dialog box appears. Excel automatically selects the data for you. Then click OK. A Pivot Table field pane appears. Drag the following fields to different areas. This is my pivot table. To insert pivot chart, click any cell inside the pivot table. On the Analyze tab in the Tools group, click Pivot Chart. The chart dialog box appears. Click OK. Slicer. Slicer provide button that you can click to filter tables or pivot tables. To insert a slicer, you have to make a pivot table. To insert a slicer, click anywhere in the pivot table. On the Home tab, go to Insert and click Slicer. In the Insert Slicer dialog box, select the check boxes for the field you want to display. Then click OK. Select a slicer will be created for every field that you selected. Vlookup. Vlookup is a function which is used in Excel when you are required to find things value in a data or range by a row. In the table, select the cell which value you want to find and give the formula Vlookup and give the cell value what you want to look up, where you want to look for it, and the column in the range containing the value into return and a approximate or exact match. Now you'll get your value. Dashboard. Dashboard is a visual display of all your data. This is my dashboard which contains pivot chart and slicer for global terrorist attacks. and this is a pivot chart for terrorist attacks in India. Thank you.